How you doing today? My name is RJ Rickert with ISW, and today we're going to be going over Forever FlexSoft. So FlexSoft, what it is a no weeding, no cutting solution to achieve, an integral design. So here's some examples. T-shirt right here. So what it is 20 different colors that's going to look and achieve a vinyl look. So without actually having to put it through a cutter or a plotter, we are now able to, get any design you would like in 20 different colors with the Oki Data printers. So what does FlexSoft look like? So what it is actually 20 single color sheets, and what you will do is put your matte side up inside your Oki Data printer, and you will print the image in black. Once it comes out, you are good to go. All we have to do now is add adhesive. So that takes me to the press. You're going to want to set your press at 275 degrees, and for 8.5 by 11, you are going to press it for 90 seconds with a nice light to medium pressure. If you are doing the larger 11 by 17 size, you're going to want to do it for a total of 120 seconds or 2 minutes. So before you do your press, you're always going to want to just preheat that lower platen real fast for like 5 seconds, especially if it's your first press of the day. Next, you will take the shiny side of that the sheet and lay it down, and get your B sheet. The sheets come with an A and a B sheet, and this is your adhesive sheet. What you'll do is lay that flat. It is coated with Forever on one side, so that is the side you should be looking at. Lay that flat right on the press, or right on top of your A sheet, and cover that with some parchment paper. And we will go ahead and press this for 90 seconds. All right, so the time is almost up. And so when this actually comes out, it is kind of like a hot peel. But first, we'll slide it out. And we're actually gonna go ahead and take a piece of cloth, and we're gonna rub it down for 5 seconds before we do our peel. And then from that, you're just gonna take a corner, grip that bottom A sheet, and slowly, consistently pull the two papers apart. And if you see here, that is what we call self-weeding. So none of the toner actually did stick to the B sheet. All of that adhesive did stick to the toner. And now we can put this onto any shirt, paper, you name it. Okay, the next step. So that B sheet is actually a little bit smaller than that A sheet. So what we'll have to do is cut around the image. It will leave a little border of adhesive that if you did forget to cut, that could transfer to your shirt. So what we'll do is go ahead and cut around the image. And now we're good to go. So we'll take our shirt, put it on the press. You're not going to have to change your settings at all on the press. When it's on there, we're going to go ahead, let's give it a pre-press for a good 5 seconds. Take any moisture that could be inside the shirt. It's also a nice little free ironing for you. So we'll go ahead and lay that FlexSoft, that matte side again, that holds all the toner. You should see the glossy side. Wherever you would like to put it on your shirt, we'll go ahead and cover that back up. And we're going to go ahead and press this for 30 seconds. All right, the time's almost up. So this is actually going to be a cold peel here. So we'll slide it out. When you take it off the platen, be careful, because while it's still hot, it could slip up. So, gently take it off the platen and set it aside for it to cool down. So if you were doing a t-shirt run of, 10, 15 shirts, we'll actually go ahead and put that next shirt up right now while this is cooling down. Now that it's cold, we're going to go ahead and take it off the shirt. There's a little bit of a technique involved. So we're actually going to go ahead and get one of the corners, put a little pressure on it to start, and we're going to start rolling that off. And if you see there's no more toner on the A sheet. Everything did transfer successfully to that B sheet. And what we're going to do now is seal it in by pressing it one more time with that parchment paper. We're going to press this for 30 seconds. All right, when that 30 seconds is up, we'll go ahead and pop that off. Parchment paper removed itself. And voila, no weeding, no cutting, and we have our image on our shirt. So if you do want to try out some Forever Flex Soft, go to your local dealer. Sample packs are now offered in 20 sheets to actually get for 8.5 by 11 and 11 by 17. You'll get 20 sheets, one of each color, in order for you to try out Forever Flex Soft. I'm RJ Rickert. Thank you.